Are you tired of IBS calling the shots in your life? It's time to break free from its grip and reclaim control over your well-being. Unmanaged IBS can wreak havoc on your mental, behavioral, physical, and psychological health, not to mention your wallet. Say goodbye to the endless cycle of anxiety, depression, and gut issues. No more desperately searching for nearest bathroom or missing out on social gatherings. It's time to say no more to accepting bad days as the norm. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, all tests look normal. They might look normal, but you don't feel normal. Doctors dismiss you, and God forbid if they refer you to a psychiatrist. You know in your heart and your gut that something is off and need someone to validate your concern. At Mastering Gut Health, Unlocking IBS Relief course, we understand the frustrations of traditional medicine leaving you without answers despite normal test results. That's why we specialize in helping those with functional gastrointestinal disorders, going beyond what traditional methods offer. Our expertise is here to empower you and address the unique challenges of IBS. As you may already know, the cause of IBS is multifactorial, so the treatment needs to be the same. Comprehensive, multifactorial, and addressing the root cause first. Hi, I'm Dr. Regmi. I'm a naturopathic doctor and a functional medicine provider, specializing in all things gut-related. With over half a decade of experience in gut health, our approach combines various tools and techniques to deliver real results. From personalized diet plans, herbal remedies, and nutritional supplements to body-mind journaling, counseling, and pharmaceuticals if needed, we have you covered. Our methods have already transformed lives, including a Google executive who achieved remarkable results like losing 13 pounds, reducing GERD symptoms by 70%, and decreasing gas and bloating by 50%, all in 6 weeks. While everyone's journey is unique, this success story demonstrates the effectiveness of our approach. Our course is designed for anyone recently diagnosed or struggling to manage their IBS beyond medications and diet alone. Skip the unreliable internet searches and save valuable time. Optional consultations with our experts are available. They're highly recommended for a personalized treatment plan that suits your needs. Don't let IBS hold you back any longer. If you do not reduce your symptoms or flare-ups, or if you're not satisfied with the course in any way, we will return your investment back to you. Enroll in our course today and take the first empowering step towards a brighter, symptom-free future. Live the way you want.